Alright, so we have built this DREAMZzz polybag Lego and this cute little dragon here. So I'll try to show you as best I can using my GoPro today, so I can't get in too close, but hopefully the light is good enough. I'll take my gloves off and try to show you what it is. This dragon. This guy's pretty cute, actually. And then we have our main character here. She's got her bow and arrow, and she's got these funky movable wing things. And I'm guessing this is her assistant. Yeah. There it is. Today's polybag build was done outside in the sunshine, but she will not stand up. She's too back heavy on the wings and stuff. Oh, there we go. I just had to push them forward. So there we have it. Beautiful winter day on Vancouver Island. So thanks for checking out my video. See you next time.